Are you an actor? Imagine if you were booked out for the whole of 2020, but you don't know how to make that happen. Or you don't believe that success is for you, or maybe you always come second. Or you believe that you don't deserve success. The number one thing to master is your mindset, because acting is mental. I'm Nick Dunning, the creator of Total Audition Magician and the author of How to Get Acting Work Quickly. Now, I struggled so hard with this. My mind kept telling me that I didn't deserve success, that I wasn't good enough. So I went on a search to find out how to create a positive mindset. And what I discovered is that just a few simple changes make all the difference. Now, you might know me as Sir Thomas Boleyn from The Tudors, in Hatfields and McCoys with Kevin Costner, or The Iron Lady with Meryl Streep. I have over 80 IMDb credits now, and I've coached over 2,117 actors. Now, a recent study by Queen Mary University of London showed that only 2% of actors make a living from the profession, and that 90% of them are out of work at any one time. So today, when you invest in Total Audition Magician, I'm going to give you two amazing bonuses. Audition Achievement, the Accelerator, a powerful hypnotic MP3 to put your mind into the perfect headspace for any audition or self-tape, and Social Media Mastery, the Quantum Leap, how to connect effortlessly and ethically with casting directors on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So check out Total Audition Magician today.